Galax is just 19 and rapidly grew to over 1 million followers. But how did he find success at such a young age?
In my mind, I always told my mom since like I got to high school, like my freshman year, I was like, Mom, like I'm gonna do social media. Like this is what I want to do. Me coming from like Hispanic parents, like it's always like like college, and college is a good thing, but at the same time, in my head, I was just like I really want to, like I enjoy doing it so much. So that me having that in the back of my head, that I only had 4 years to like really prove my parents that I could do it. It was kind of like a race. Like I was just like every day I had to do something new. Every day I had to do like better. So just like having that in the back of my mind, it was kind of like I have to do it.
What do you think's been the biggest obstacle for you in going towards what you wanted to do?
I would say, I mean, at first it was definitely English, but after that, I would
Yeah.
say overall kind of just like understanding how everything worked. I mean, like when it comes to like what to upload, how to do it, even just like learning how to edit videos. So I would just like stay up all night long, like just like watching YouTube tutorials, how to like download like this, how to edit like this, because I had no idea, and I pretty much like did it all to myself. And then like until like recently, which like I think it was like last year, I started to hire editors. But like up to that point, I was editing all of my YouTube videos and I was posting daily, all of my TikToks, and I still had time to like stream.
Do you think learning English by watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos and like, just trying to immerse yourself in it gave you more insight to like, oh, what makes a good YouTube video? What do you like about it?
I would definitely 100,000% like just watching other YouTubers or like content creators do what they do. It like just gives you like a better idea on how you do it. Because
Mhm.
like that's kind of like honestly what like I think helped me get to the point where I'm at. Because like I didn't just go into YouTube like not knowing what to do, because I was already watching so much YouTube that I knew like the main ideas on what to do on a video, or like how to do a video. Like in my head, I'm like there's no way I make it. Like there is no way. Like I was doubting myself, and I feel like that is the worst thing that somebody as a content creator can do, is like doubt themselves. Like you have to just take opportunities. Like if you see that like opportunity and like it's risky, like just do it. Because that's personally how I felt. I was like, there is no way. Like this won't happen. And when I saw myself in even the top 100, and then I tried super hard for the top 20, didn't get top 20, and I was like, okay, like it didn't make me like, it didn't push me down, it didn't put me
Mm.
down. It gave me that few. I was like, okay, like let's see like when they do it again, and we'll just go crazy from it. And even that, like even just making top 100 already put me in an eye on like a whole different audience. Even if it was a like I lost the challenge, overall in my eyes it's a win. I was able to inspire people. I met so many like really cool people out there. So overall it's like it's never really a lot. Like you'll never really lose. You always learn something from it.
What's kind of your main idea driver?
I would say, I mean, sometimes like what I like to do, I like to scroll on TikTok, and then when I see something cool, even if it has nothing to do with Call of Duty related, I'm like, okay, I feel like I could use this, like this whole main idea concept into COD. And then I grab the idea, I like the TikTok, I save it. I hate just being on TikTok, just like scrolling. I like to like always think, like I always have that content creator mind when I'm watching stuff, to like,
Yeah.
okay, I could use this on here. Okay, this could be a cool idea here. So that's kind of how I get a lot of my ideas. Like, I mean, TikTok is all, I mean, there's so much stuff all the time there that where you can kind of just like think of cool ideas to do. Because I feel like when it comes to like as a full-on career, like there is just so much to do, like in this content creator field. Like there is never really like a, okay, like I've made it. I've like, there is never that I've made it. You know what I mean? Like there's always something new to do.
Sure.
There's always more people to like entertain in a way. And like just like over, I mean, that's kind of just how I see it. Like there's never really an ending kind of to it. So it's never too late to start. You know what I mean? Just us. If you really want to do like the full on social media, or like overall just like make content in general, just do it. Like there is like never, like don't give yourself excuses. I'll do it next week. Like start now. Like now is the time to really start. And just, I mean, I would say I've had the most success on TikTok. Upload a lot of TikTok content, learn from other creators, upload content. I would say don't try to like stream for like 6-7 hours. If you're just starting off, maybe stream for 2 hours and a half, and put that other time into your craft, into making videos, into getting better with videos. Because like I said, this content creation stuff is just getting started, and is gonna keep getting crazier and crazier and crazy. So you gotta adapt, and you gotta adapt fast.
If you enjoyed that video, watch this one next. And if you want to go pro as a creator, join Pipeline to get the tools and knowledge to be a successful streamer. Just click the link in the description below.